last goodbye in this apartment. Sad. Now we cannot go inside because we don't have a key.
No.
Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, bye! Time for the road trip. And this is our building. We live there, second floor. This is our last day. And goodbye. Oh, I will miss this place so much. It's very nice. So we are already delayed.
As always.
I think you're making a good progress.
We are still gonna eat here in Denmark. Last time for open sandwich. Bon appetit.
Lunch before departure.
Ready to go?
Oh, I want to sleep.
He's sleepy while driving. I should be concerned.
Yeah.
Thanks, Peter, for helping.
Yeah, see you in August.
Oh yeah.
You're gonna be a flatmate. Yeah. Bye, Bob. You're leaving alone.
Bye. I'll stay here. And you go.
Take care.
So,
Let's swap.
Okay.
sure! You will drive. Okay, bye.
I'll-
We will leave you.
I will take care of your house.
You were gonna drive.
Where's the key?
He doesn't have the key.
Wow.
You had a nice hope.
Ready, Bob?
No.
You're not ready at all?
Maybe we should leave tomorrow instead.
No way. Bye, Peter.
Bye.
We'll leave tomorrow and cancel the plan. Bye. Thank you. What? Are you having a long distance?
It's really useful for long.
Where is the kiss? I'm waiting for the kiss.
We all kiss in the bathtub when you're.
Ooh. Engine coolant. Time to fill the air for the trip. So our tires are good and steady.
Now it's time for a quick wash. Cool. Wow! Love it. So cool. Are we ready now?
Ready to roll.
We're ready to roll, reckon?
Roll.
Roll. Okay, we
First
have,
stop, Münster.
we have like 8 hours journey for the day. And it's already almost 5 in the evening, in the afternoon. So, it's a long way to go. We're kind of delayed now. And safe travels. Let's gonna have karaoke. Okay, this song is for you, Baba. You can sing also. Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? I need somebody who can love me at my worst. Yeah. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth.
It's perfect start of the weather.
Wiggle, for sure. It makes me want to dribble, you know.
Driving.
Is my feet back and what I like to relax in my mind. Sipping some red wine. Shepherds.
Gonna cross the Star Belt Bridge.
Woo! We just did 3 hours of driving. How do you feel?
Good enough.
Can you still go drive straight until 7 hours?
No, you're required to have rest every 4 hours. 182.
Euro? Is it cheap or expensive?
It's much cheaper than Denmark.
That's cool. Filling it up. We're having Italian instead of German food. The pizza and bolognese. It's a lot. I love it. We need to share it. We just had a good Italian dinner in Germany. Well, we couldn't go in the German restaurant because it's a lot and it's long queue and you know we don't have so much time. And time update, it's already 9:16 in the evening, and instead of 12 midnight we will arrive there, it's gonna be 1 o'clock. Oh my god, it's so late. But anyway, what do you think about the food?
It was delicioso.
I know.
The international community as well. In recent years, they have increased their rhetoric and their requests to.
The destination is on your right, Josephine Mauser Street 64. Arrived.
Arrived. Ah, finally.
Close to arrive.
Survive. Oh my gosh. My butt is so painful. Finally, we arrive here in Germany. This is our first stop. It's already late. It's already 1 a.m. Okay, let's try to find my cousin's place.
Good night for day 1.